All right, so today we will be talking about when the next XRP bull market will be happening. And we're not just talking about a bull run, like a temporary bull run, like, 30%, 10%, or anything like that. We're talking about when the next 100%, 200%, 300% actual bull market starts for XRP. So that's what we're talking about today. But, anyways, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But let's talk about this because, a lot of people are talking about the crypto bull market's about to happen, crypto's about to take off, blah, 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 blah. I'll tell you right now, honestly, I see Bitcoin going back down to 20K, right? Even if it's becomes temporarily bullish right now is like a bull trap. So you don't really want to be paying attention to these prices right now because sooner or later we're going to have another drop down here inside of Bitcoin. And it's kind of funny because, we've had this bull trap for a while and, coming into the New Year's, whenever we had the, people's New Year's resolution and all that, they were buying crypto like crazy. But now, this is going to be the last pullback before the actual bull market, and that's because of the Bitcoin halving. And we know the Bitcoin halving is going to be on uh, April of 2024. So we know that that's going to happen. So that's essentially when our next XRP bull market is going to be. So it's very, very important to watch the prices leading up to that because we actually might get some discounted prices here in XRP. Now, I'll say temporarily, we might see an increase in the price here in XRP. And one reason why I say that is because if you look at the RSI down here, you actually see we're nearing the bottom of this RSI. And it actually looks like we're probably going to end up crossing the bottom of that RSI pretty soon. So if we do cross on the bottom with the RSI there, then that means that we're going to have an increase inside of the price if it crosses down here on the bottom and then it goes up from there. So we will probably end up seeing that increase in price once it bottoms out here. So, if you actually look at the area here that we have on our momentum wave bands here, and these are chart prime automated indicators, by the way. If you look in the description, the link in the description, it'll say chart prime if you want to check that out. But yeah, this is pretty important to look at because what chart prime shows here is our momentum wave bands, right? It shows where momentum is heading. Notice how it's curving slightly upwards right now. And that's because, as you can see, XRP just now hit the top of this momentum wave band here. And typically, when we top out on the momentum wave band, when we hit the top, we typically have pullbacks. Now, we see it every single time. Whenever we hit the top of these momentum wave bands, we have these pullbacks. So you can see here, we hit the top of this momentum wave band here, have the pullback here, end up hitting the bottom of it, and then we go hit the bottom of it again, and then we hit the top, have that little bit of pullback, and then it goes back up. So we could end up seeing XRP do a small pullback, and then from there, it could probably have a little bit more gains coming in. So I think what we'll see here pretty soon in XRP actually is probably going closer towards 54K. Not 54K. I wish it would hit 54K, but look, 54 cents. It could possibly hit 54 cents here. So we could probably see it have a temporary rise inside of this. And I know people are probably like, well, you just now said that it's probably going to end up going back down because of Bitcoin. Yeah, everything's about to go back down one more time inside of this crypto market. This is going to be the last cycle of us going downwards. And then from there, we're going to be going to what? We're going to be going to April of next year, and that's going to be the Bitcoin halving. So leading up to that, we could have some pumps coming back into the market leading up to the Bitcoin halving, or it may just wait until we actually hit the halving. But we know the actual bull market for XRP will start around April, and that's going to be for everything, every crypto. Now, I do want to say this: if you're looking at the Fibonacci's here, then XRP always does have the possibility, to get back up here to this Fibonacci right below 63 cents at 61 cents here. So it always has the possibility to do that. But like I said, like even if we get temporary gains in the market, notice how every time we get these temporary gains, we always have these pullbacks, and that's because this is a bull trap. So I would not believe anything that's going on right now in the market. This is all bull traps here. Like we just keep seeing it left and right. We keep getting trapped here. So don't fall for it. I think this is a false alarm. I don't think that we're like majorly bullish right now. I think there's going to be this last pullback before we have major gains in the market. So sometime around April of next year is when we're going to see the next actual bull market for XRP. So this could be looked at as a accumulation phase right now. So that's exactly how I would look at it right now. But like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, all that good stuff. And check out the link in the description for Chart Prime. Pretty good indicators here. And as always, I'll be back with another video.